Hi, and welcome to Headspace, your guide to meditation and mindfulness. Think of Headspace as your mind's best friend. It's here for you whenever you need it, helping you stress less, sleep soundly, and stay resilient during tough times. There are many ways to use Headspace, and all of them will help you feel healthier and happier. Start by checking out the Today tab, where we'll recommend a range of things for you to try each day. Meditation is what we're known for, and there are hundreds to choose from. Even 3-minute sessions for when you're short on time. You can search for a meditation that fits your mood, or start with the basics course. It's great for beginners.
Hi. Over the next 10 sessions, I'm going to show you a really simple way of getting some more headspace in your life.
When it's time for bed, just click the little moon and head to the sleep tab. You can relax your mind with a wind-down exercise before drifting off to a soothing sleepcast or soundscape.
The lighthouse keeper closes the last window.
On the Focus tab, you'll find music to help get you in the zone, with everything from jazz to lo-fi beats. And if you'd rather get some headspace while breaking a sweat, Move Mode's stress-relieving workouts are perfect for you.
Upward facing dog or cobra to lift your chest. And exhale to downward facing dog.
With so much to choose from, Headspace is your guide to just about everything, from waking up to bedtime and all the moments in between. Explore the whole app and find out what works for you.